Happy birds. Rohan and Anu wanted to have a pet. Rohan wanted a dog. Anu wanted a white kitten. Rohan and Anu walked to the pet shop in the market. In the shop, they saw dogs, cats, and rabbits. Rohan and Anu liked them. They also saw some cages. There were parakeets in small cages. There were white and grey pigeons in a big cage. The birds looked sad. Rohan and Anu did not like to see the birds in cages. They felt sorry for the birds. They went back home. They told Granny what they had seen. Granny said, "Let us go to the shop right now." Rohan, Anu and Granny went to the shop. Granny said to the shopkeeper, "I want to buy these birds." The shopkeeper gave them the birds in the cages. She told the shopkeeper, "You should not keep birds in cages."
"I am sorry, ma'am. I will never sell birds now,"
he said. Rohan, Anu and Granny came out of the shop. They opened the doors of the cages. The birds hopped out one by one. They flew away happily.